Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey on how to become a front end web developer. This dynamic and ever evolving field offers endless possibilities, especially with the introduction of AI into web development. Begin your journey by mastering the core technologies HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of the web, and proficiency in these areas is essential. Consider using online platforms and coding boot camps to accelerate your learning. AI is reshaping how web applications are developed. Learning how to integrate AI into your web projects can set you apart. Start by understanding APIs that offer AI solutions like natural language processing or machine learning models to enhance user experience. To drastically improve your learning curve, leverage tools like version control systems such as Git and automation tools that streamline coding tasks. Pair programming and code review platforms can also provide hands-on experience with real-world coding challenges. Get practical by building small projects. Gradually increase complexity as you advance. Use popular libraries and frameworks like React or Angular to construct dynamic user interfaces. Also, explore deployment platforms such as Vercel or Netlify for making your projects live. Remember, consistency is key. Engage with communities, contribute to open source projects, and keep an eye on the latest trends in web development. With dedication, you can become a proficient front-end web developer, ready to tackle the challenges of tomorrow with AI-driven solutions.